So here's the EROK universe, also called the M-Vave universe. This is the pedal. Now this is the one, not the one with the true bypass. This is the one you've seen in my other video that has digital bypass, so software bypass. So I'm gonna put on a drum pattern, and this is in bypass 0 reverb mix mode. So when you turn it on, it's entering mode, on mode. So to just clarify, that's with it. Let me just pause that for a second there. What people are not understanding, and from the comments I get, is this does not have any switching noise in the signal when you turn it on and off. There's the click of the switch, but digitally there, and the audio and into the computer, there is no pop at all. That was a noise of someone sending me an instant message. So yeah, that on and off does not make any digital noise, any audio noise through the audio circuit.